friends, and welcome back to Vyom's coding tutorial. In this video, I will be talking about modules and how to create them. In my next video, I will be talking about the different built-in modules of Python. Now, what are modules? A module is just a file which contains some set of functions you want to run but do not want to write them in the main code but just import them. So, for writing a module, you just have to write a set of codes in a file and save it as a .py file, like any other coding file or any other Python coding file. Remember an important fact that you have to save the module in the same folder as the one you save your main file. So let's say we have two folders A and B. If you save your module in the folder A and your main code in the folder B, it won't work. You won't be able to import the module in the main code. So you would either have to save both the module and the main code in folder A or folder B. So I hope you understood.
You can import modules from different folders too. Here's how you do it. Make your module and save it in a folder. Make sure to add an init.py file in the folders where the module and the main code is present respectively. In the main code, import sys, which is a built-in module. Then you write sys.path.insert in brackets 1, write the path where your module is, and then you import the module in any of the following ways I'm going to show you in this video. And lastly, you can use the functions of the module in the main code.
So now I have saved this file as module 1, mod1. Let us make 4 functions for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using the def and return functions as explained in my previous function and function arguments video. And for the operations, I have also made a video on arithmetic operators. So now I will not be taking much time to explain functions. I'll just write it down and show you. Let's sub num1 num2 return num1 minus num2 def mul num1 num2 return num1 into num2 def div num1 num2 return num1 by num2. So I have made these 4 functions and I've saved it. Now I will show you the different ways how we can import the modules in a main code. So I have saved another file as main code. Now let us just write the normal statement of integer input for 2 variables num1 and num2. And num2 is equal to integer input, enter the second number. Okay, now I have made these variables. Now I will show you how to import the module in different ways. So import is a keyword using which we will be able to use the modules in the main code. So we have named it as mod1. So all we have to write is import mod 1. That's it. Importing is done. Now there are different ways of how to use them. So we know that we have made a function called add. So let us make a variable ans is equal to mod1 dot add. This means we are using the function add from the module mod1, and then in the brackets we write num1 comma num2, and after that print the sum of the two numbers is equal to ans. Let me just change this to capital. And now we run the program. So let's just keep the numbers 10 and 5. Enter first number 10 to second number 5. Sum of two numbers is 15. And we know that 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. And let us just do the same way for subtraction also and see whether it works. Now here we have to write sub, and you can see the option came from module 1, and because these are the functions we made, we can just choose it directly, sub, and that's it. And num1 comma num2, print the difference between the two numbers is equal to ans. Oh, I had started with a single quote, then I have to end it with a single quote. And now when you run it, 10, 5, difference between the two numbers is 5. So I hope you understood the first way of importing the modules. Now I will show you the second way of importing them. So in the second way we use as, like as a keyword. Here let me just code them so that they won't come in the way. Now as, so we have to use import, and or we won't just want to import the mul function from mod1, so we can write from mod1 import mul as a. So from mod1, that is from the module mod1, import the function mul with the name of a. So all I have to do is ans is equal to a num1 comma num2, print the product of two numbers is equal to num1 into, no, we don't have to write that, we can just write ans. And when we run it, so let's do 10 and 5 again. 5 into 10 is 50. So I hope you understood the second way of importing the modules. And the last, and I think the most convenient way, is just writing from mod1 import star, and that's it. It imports all functions and you don't even have to write anything else. All you have to do is like if I want to do mul again, instead of writing mod1.mul, I can just write mul and run it using 10 and 5 again. I get the same answer. And I want to do div. So if I just replace mul with div and the division, if I just write it here and run it using the same thing 10 and 5, the division of two numbers is 2.0. So I hope you understood how um, we can use the different modules and how to import them. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you the different built-in modules like tkinter, which will be a major part of my videos uh, coming up after the modules. Thank you for watching.